Well, hi everyone! Welcome to another language lesson with me, Lingo the Language Bot. What are we going to learn about today? Let's find out! Who is this? Who is this? It's a boy. It's a boy. What are these? They're toys. They're toys. What is this? It's a coin. It's a coin. What is this? It's a loud noise. It's a loud noise. What is the same about all of these words? That's it. They all have the sound oi. Boy, toys, noise, and coin. But there's something strange. Can you see something strange? These words all have the same oi sound, but there are two different ways to make an oi sound. O-Y, like boy and toys, and O-I, like noise and coin. Aha! Listen and repeat. Boy, boy. Toy, toy. Annoyed, annoyed. Enjoy, enjoy. These words all have O-Y and they make the sound oi. Very good. Listen and repeat. Coin, coin. Noise, noise. Soil, soil. Poison, poison. Very good. These words all have the oi sound and the letters O and I. Oi. Very good. Now you try. I have got a lot of toys. But how do you spell toys? Is it A or B? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's B, toys. Toys is spelled T-O-Y-S. Fantastic. Oh, that's a loud noise. But how do you spell noise? Is it A or B? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Noise. N-O-I-S-E. Fantastic. There's a gold coin. Is it A or B? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. It's A, coin. C-O-I-N, coin. James is a boy. Is it A or B? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Boy. B-O-Y. Fantastic, you got it right. Well done. Well, it's time for me to go, but thanks for watching, and I hope you learned something today. Join me, Lingo the Language Bot, next time for another lesson. Okay, bye. See you next time.